Good morning students. Welcome again. Geography lesson number 6, manufacturing industry. In this lesson we read about industries. We divide industry into two parts. One is agro-based industries, second is mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries are those industries which depends on agriculture product. Agriculture provide them raw material. Mineral-based industries are those industries which provide mineral. So in this lesson we read about the two type of industry, agro-based and mineral-based. Firstly we discuss with agro-based. In agro-based industries, cotton industries, jute, woolen, silk, synthetic, sugar, all these industries came in agro-based. Why these came in agro-based? Because agriculture provide them raw material. So firstly we take first industry, that is cotton industry. Cotton industry, agriculture provide raw material for this industry. What are the main features of cotton industry? Largest industry in India. Cotton industry is a largest industry in our country. It is operated in public, private and cooperative sector also. 1.5 billion labor force engaged mean cotton industries provide large employment to the people. Due to the large employment of the people, our country's poverty decrease. This industry is closely linked with agriculture and industry highly because from where we get agriculture, we get cotton from the agriculture, and this industry also depends on the agriculture. So that's why closely linked with agriculture and industries. Cotton industry is highly decentralized. Where raw materials are found, cotton industries are set up. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. In this country, cotton is grown in large amount. So industries are decentralized in these states. Cotton industry also provides sports for the industries, other industries like chemical and dyes industries, millstones, packing and engineering industries. So these are the features of manufacturing industries. Now, next topic is area. Cotton grown in which areas in our country? Maharashtra, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Chennai. These are the states where cotton are produced in large quantity. Now, factor contributing to the growth. Cotton industry factor contributing the growth mean कौन से ऐसे फैक्टर हैं जिनकी वजह से हमारी कॉटन इंडस्ट्री ग्रो कर रही है? फर्स्टली वाइड मार्केट. इन कॉटन इंडस्ट्री cotton clothes, cotton things are produced, but if we have not market, where we send? So for supplying the things we need wide market. So if we have wide market, our export increase. Second thing is transport. Transport play very important role in the industrialization because it also provide raw material to the industries and final things to the market. Banking facilities also needed for the growth of the country. Regular power supply, because without power no industries can run. So these are the main factor which depends to the growth of the industry. Now our next part is which type of problems faced by the cotton industries. Firstly, problem is scarcity of good quality of cotton. Good quality of cotton is not provided in the cotton industry. Second, problem of power. Power means electricity. Those help in the growth of the industry. Problem of power is common in the cotton industry. Absolute machineries and need for modernization. Those industries are used in cotton industries. They are old type of industry. So for old type of machineries needed for modernization. Next is low productivity of labor. Laborers did not get good work, good product. So low productivity of laborers are found in cotton industries. And last and final problem is that stiff competition with other industries. There are so many industries came in the market. So cotton industry face stiff competition in the market. Export and import, from where we import cotton and we export cotton. USA, UK, Russia, East European country, Singapore, Africa and Sri Lanka are the major exporter and importer of cotton industry. So students, we read agro-based industry. In agro-based industries, firstly we discuss the cotton industry. In next part, we will meet in the jute industries.